I'm kind of like, dudes.
My name is Matthew Leonard, and I am the owner and operator of the Lionheart Puppet Company. I perform mostly at libraries, schools, and daycare centers. I got into the UConn puppetry program when I was in high school. The program at UConn was an intense time, not only learning puppetry, but also learning costuming, lighting, scenic design, courses in hand puppetry, rod puppetry, shadow puppetry, materials and techniques.
Bradley Wolf, is that you? In the photo. Well, Big Brad Wolf, as I live and breathe.
After college, I worked for a couple different puppet companies. I went out west and worked for the Great Arizona Puppet Theater, Paper Moon Puppet Theater in Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey, and I learned a lot with them.
The story you're about to see is a fairy tale. The names and events have been made up in an effort to be fun.
Professionally, I've been a puppeteer about 16 years.
But there was the fellow who ran past with burlap sack. He had big bulgy eyes. Oh yeah, and if you can get a good look at it, boom, 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 boom.
In the summer, I work a lot. I do probably 2 or 3 performances a week, and then usually around December it'll pick up again. Most of the time I work alone. Every so often something will come up and I'll get to work with somebody else. That's a really fun process. My wife very often helps out. I actually do a lot of the music for the shows. Right now I have 5 shows that I do, that I tour. 4 of the shows that I do are based on classic fairy tale.
Little pig, let me come in.
No way.
Classic fables, Brothers Grimm, Hans Christian Andersen, and so on. I have one show I do called Jack Tuesday Fairy Tale Investigator.
All right, I get the idea.
I've taken a lot of these classic fairy tales and fables and turned them into a 1930s Private Eye Sam Spade kind of play.
All right, you, hands up.
What?
I said reach for the sky.
Do we have any questions before we go? Yes, I'll do a question and answer session afterward. And you'll show them something in the show. I have a special string all the way at the back here, and by pulling on that string, I can make his nose grow. And you'll just sort of blow their mind. That's how you do that? Oh, neat. Something about a kid walking up to you afterwards and saying, "That's the coolest thing I've ever seen." I get paid to make people laugh, and that's the best job in the world.